Short days and shorter nights, I think time might do a little more than fly. It takes money to make money, but what's a dollar to a dream that no one can take from me? Look, I don't know, college hit my wallet hard, but I still make ends meet. I found it funny listening to fake friends speak, until a few of them changed, now hey, that's me. And a few of them stayed the same, I'm not placing blame, I got some work to do if I wanna make it. Safe to say I spent a good part of a year just trying to make it right. I'm on the come up, so don't try to tell me what's up unless you table side. And that's how it goes. I just want life to slow down, because I don't know now. No, I don't know. I just want life to slow down, because I don't know now. I've been in a daze for days, in a phase of what I'm saying can't be phased. It's amazing, peer pressure, everybody caves in, saying oh my god, so much I think she might be pagan. Take me back to the days, yeah, back to the times. It's always in the front of the back of my mind, hanging around on the playground, just a bunch of goofy smiles, funny laughs, yeah, and watching movies while we didn't really care about nothing. Innocence of hate, the only thing we knew was love. And then we grew up, yeah, we grew up just a little too fast and just a little too much. I'm trying to get it, I insisted my persistence.
Integral of f of x, g of x, dx. You keep deriving f of x until you get all the way down to 0. And you keep integrating g of x an equal number of times. You have to make sure f of x can be derived down to 0 and g of x has an infinite number of integrals to use this method. Then you draw lines going diagonally, starting from f of x to the integral of g of x, and the lines mean multiply. Then you add, subtract, add, and that is your answer.
Trying to get it, I insisted my persistence. I don't really know, so I'm questioning the distance in my existence. So I'ma wait and see. I got the kind of flow to make an atheist have faith in me.
We're going to derive x cubed and we're going to integrate sine of x. 3x squared, 6x, 6, and we stop when we get to 0. Negative cosine x, negative sine x, cosine of x, and then sine x. Now we're going to draw our lines.
Basically no vacancy, I booked up every page and every sheet. I'm a pretty firm believer, sometimes you should make believe. Hey, late night, I'm buzzing with no Adderall, tweaking while I'm thinking in a few years I could have it all. And now my mind's set, my eyes getting heavy.
Positive, negative, positive, negative. This is the answer. Don't forget plus C.
Integration by parts.
The integral of f of x gx with respect to x is also the integral of u dv. The integral of u dv is equal to u times v minus the integral of v du. A handy acronym to decide which is your u in your integral function is limit. L is for natural log. Don't turn it sideways, that looks dumb. I is for inverse trig. P is for polynomial. E is for exponential. And T is for trig.
And this is how you get all your parts. Take note.
My head hits the pillow and I'm out without a doubt. If you look close, I promise that you'll see something. But what if life is tennis and love means nothing? And that's how it goes. I just want life to slow down, because I don't know now. No, I don't know.
Integration by parts. Remember your limit. This is the problem that we have. Our u is ln x, our du is 1 over x dx, our dv is x cubed dx, and our v is x to the 4th over 4. The rule is u of v minus integral of v du.
How far are we?
Okay, so we start by plugging our parts into the formula. The u, ln x, times the v, x to the 4th over 4, minus the integral of our v, x to the 4th over 4, times our du, 1 over x dx, and that gives us this. Then we have to integrate this, and I pulled out the 1/4 to make it easier, and then x to the 4th over x went to x cubed dx. And then you integrate it, don't forget your plus c, you simplify, and then you can simplify some more, and this gives you your answer.
The next example for integration by parts is the integral of e to the x sine x dx. Our u is e to the x, our du is e to the x dx, dv sine x, v negative cosine x. We plug it into the formula of uv minus the integral of v du. So, then we get another integration by parts that we have to do. So this time our u is e to the x, du is still e to the x dx, dv is cosine x, v is sine x. We carry down the negative e to the x cosine x and then add on the new u times v minus the integral of v du. Then we can see, after we simplified everything, that we get the integral of sine x e to the x again, which is the same as what we started out as. So we add it over to the other side, so it's 2 of that, and divide everything by 2. The integral of e to the x sine x dx is equal to e to the x sine x minus e to the x cosine x all over 2. And then all you have to do is add c.
Oh, I just want life to slow down, because I don't know now.